I'm Dr. David Yates, and I'll be your instructor for ENV 3307, entitled Environmental Issues. I want to welcome you to the course and tell you a little bit about it to begin with. We're going to talk about such things as environmental sustainability. We're going to talk about waste and pollution and how it impacts environmental justice. A lot of us already have probably some basic understanding of what environmental justice is, but hopefully you'll get a better insight and detail of what it actually means. We'll talk about water treatment processes, and one of the things we're going to also discuss is both corporate and personal responsibility as it relates to environmental sustainability. Early in the course in Unit 1, you're going to be asked to do a self-evaluation of each of the topics. And at the end, I hope that you do a very thorough self-assessment as to where you began and where you ended up in your thinking process, whether that either helped change your viewpoint or whether it actually reinforced what the viewpoint that you have that you previously had. So let's get some administrative things out of the way. First, the best means to reach me is through direct email or through the Ask the Professor link. Okay, with the Ask the Professor link, I ask that you don't discuss things such as your grades or ask questions about grading. If you're going to ask personal questions, I prefer that you direct email, because the Ask the Professor, other students can see the questions and even the responses that are being given. So for that reason, for those obvious reasons, please make sure that you limit personal questions to the direct email. I'll also take telephone calls. My telephone number is area code 217-413-8205. And with that being said, I'm a very busy person, as I imagine all of you are. So I ask that you schedule telephone conversations with me prior to that. Also, if we schedule a call, I'd like to kind of get a heads up of what the conversation is about, what topic you would like to discuss. That helps me to be better prepared to answer your questions, so that I'm, regardless of what I tell my own spouse, is I don't know everything. So that's a joke, by the way. So I do have to do some research from time to time. I have my own expertise, but I'm not an expert at everything. I'll take calls. Generally, my office hours are from 6 to 7:30 p.m. Tuesday through Thursday, or 9 a.m. to 11 o'clock on Saturday, unless I have somebody else scheduled. All times that I mentioned are Central Standard Time. And as you'll see in the course announcement, assignments are expected to be in on time, especially discussion boards and unit assignments. Now, with that being said, I've already mentioned that I'm a very busy person, as I know you are. We're all adults. And so we have, from time to time, conflicts or things that just come up. So I'm very lenient in granting extensions. I don't need you to come up with some elaborate reason as to why you need an extension. All I need is just a quick email saying, hey, I'm going to be late on the assignment this week. I'll have it done by, say, Saturday or within 7 days. I do like for you to have them done within 7 days of the original date, unless there's some other issues involved. With that being said, also, I cannot grant an extension beyond the course deadline without written request via the university. Okay. Written communication. You'll have some assignments that are essay, and I'm not sure. I have to look again, but I think there may be a case study in here. But anyway, all written assignments outside of discussion boards are to be submitted using the most current, which I believe is the APA 7.0 format. And also no more than 25% of the assignments can be from quoted or reference material. I do require that 75% be original work. Okay. I also require that all assignments, with the exception of the discussion boards, are done in third-person format. First-person style of writing will get you a 5-point deduction automatically. Let's see what else. I hope that you find this course to be both interesting and beneficial to your future profession. Should you have any comments regarding the assignments or how to improve them, don't hesitate to send me an email and say, hey, have you ever tried this? I don't develop all of the courses, but I do have some leeway to add to them, or to make recommendations for improvement as well. Lastly, again, I want to welcome you again, and I also thank you for choosing Columbia Southern University as your learning institution. If you need any help throughout the course, please communicate with me early. I'm more than willing to help you get through this course. Thanks.